Do not listen while driving or doing anything that requires your full attention. This is not a substitute for professional help. Listen for 40 days or until you reach your goal. Find a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. Sitting with your spine straight. If you have to lie down, that's okay. Close your eyes and take this time for you, because this is what you desire. Take a deep breath of light in through your nose and let it light you up from your head to your toes. And breathe out what no longer serves you. Take another deep breath of light to the bottom of your belly in through your nose. And breathe out what no longer serves you. Another deep breath in through your nose. And breathe out. The secret to manifesting is being grounded. Imagine a cord at the base of your spine going deep into Mother Earth to ground you, and we thank Mother Earth for providing for us. And let the light of the sun come down upon your head, loosening up those muscles, sliding into your face, that warm sun, relaxing your face, your jaw, your neck and shoulders, arms and fingertips filled with the sun, relaxing. With each breath, with each heartbeat, you go deeper into relaxation, warming and relaxing your body, sliding into your hips and thighs, knees, calves, and feet relax. A column of light from above going through you, breaking up anything that's keeping you from reaching your goal. That column of light goes deep into Mother Earth. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, see the number 3 on the screen of your mind 3 times. 3. 3. 3. Take another deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, see the number 2 on the screen of your mind. 2. 2. 2. Take another deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, see the number 1 on the screen of your mind. 1. 1. 1. I'm going to count you down into alpha, in safety and security, each number taking you deeper down into relaxation. 5, 4, deeper and deeper, 3, 2, 1. And we say, I am an alpha, and everything I do is accurate and correct, and for my highest good and the highest good of all concerned. Your subconscious mind does not know the difference between pretend and reality, so what you pretend shall be so. Pretend that you are walking in the woods and you come upon a beautiful waterfall. And behind that waterfall is a place for you to rest and be at peace. As you watch the waterfall, you see a golden green color of wealth. And you get up and step into the waterfall and allow it to wash away anything in your energy field that's keeping you from being wealthy. That beautiful golden green color. Allow yourself to imagine that waterfall is filling you up with wealth and what your life will be like. Experience that with all your senses. The secret is the feeling. Make a wish and feel the feelings as if the wish is fulfilled. Drop into your heart space. Let your heart and mind be aligned in coherence, in vibrational harmony with what you wish. I will leave you there to imagine that, and I will come back and get you. Okay. It is so. Take a deep breath in. I'm going to bring you back up. At the count of 5, you'll open your eyes, feeling better than ever, fully confident that this worked. 1, coming up slowly. 2, take a deep breath in. 3, whenever you see the color red, 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 this will be amplified, infinity. 4, 5, open your eyes, feeling better than ever, fully confident that this worked. Listen to this for 40 days with headphones, or until you reach your goal. Stay where you are and allow all of this to soak in until the sound stops. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Much love and thank you.